This is Saxon 5, Lesson 21, Word Problems about Equal Groups. So when you're looking at word problems about equal groups, what you're looking at is multiplication word problems. Now, sometimes these multiplication problems have missing numbers, but there's an easy way to figure that out. So there is the number in each group, and you're looking for to times that by the number of groups. Okay, you multiply those together and you get the total. So your job in an equal groups word problem is to figure out which one of these numbers is missing. Okay, let's read it. At Lincoln School, there are 4 classes of 5th graders with 30 students, 4 classes of 5th graders, 30 students in each class. Okay, that gives us some numbers. Numbers in each group, well, we've just said there are 30 students in each class, and the number of groups is 4. There are 4 classes, which means I am doing 30 times 4, okay, to find my total, which means I am looking for the total. That is my missing number. So let's do our multiplication. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12, 120. So there are 120 students as total altogether. Let's look at another one. So this is our second word problem. The coach separated 48 players into 6 teams, with the same number on each team. How many players were on each team? Now remember, we're looking for number in groups, number of groups, and the total. Okay, 48 players. We have 48 players altogether, which means 48 goes to the bottom. That is our total. They're separating the 48 players into 6 teams. Okay, so that means there are 6 groups or 6 teams. It does not tell us how many people are on each team, which means this is the number we are missing. So what we are going to do is we are going to do the inverse to find our answer. Going down is multiplication. M times 6 is 48, which means we need to do the inverse, division. So we are doing 48 divided by 6. So we come over here and we do 48 divided by 6. Well, 48 divided by 6 is 8, which means what should happen is we have 8 students on each of the 6 teams to make a total of 48 students. Now, if you were on a test, please check. 8 times 6 should equal 48. If it doesn't, then you need to go back and check your work. But that is the general premise of it. All you need to remember is which places for what. Okay, there's number in groups, number of groups, and the total. And you need to make sure you place your numbers correctly for the equal groups word problem to know if you are multiplying or dividing. That is lesson 21, Saxon 5, word problems about equal groups.